Yeah, Captain Larry, 7th of June, 2018. We're back on the boat after a couple of weeks away with the flu and a few other things. Came back to the boat and a week ago, and it didn't want to start. So apparently this battery here that I had rejuvenated gave up the ghost. And I made doubly sure that it was hooked up to the charger when I left, the solar charger, and forgot to turn it on. So in the interim, I bought a new, better, bigger battery, brand new, good quality interstate battery. One of the so-called deep cycle marine / starting batteries. They're not really either, but they last longer than just a starting battery. So it turns out that this one, of course, is a couple of inches bigger than the other one, and another 10 or 20% capacity. So what I'm going to have to do is take the AGM batteries that are in there and turn them around sideways, and that will make another 2 or 3 inches in there and allow me to put the newer, bigger starting battery in there and keep the AGMs for the electronics. So what else has been happening around here? Guess we might as well go out and take a look at the new, this is the new Marina with everything that marinas have. Nice boats, ridiculous boats. You know, I like that. So I've been here today. Let me get up here on the deck a little bit and got some new spring lines on and brought the battery down on a dolly because it's a long way back. Gotta walk all the way down there and all the way. There's my red car in the distance. So brought the battery on the dolly. So we got the spring line set up. Here are the new sheets and halyards. 7 of them. 1, 2, 3. A couple of them. 4, 5. Come on, darn you. Gotten tangled up and move over here. 6 and 7. So there they are. Now to replace this old shit. And there we are. Low tide. But we're squared away here pretty good. Alright, that's it. Back to work.